everybody, it's Tanishka from Tanishka Toys. In today's video, I'm going to make a tiny button. You can press it like plop 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 and it won't go inside, and see, it will just pop out like pop 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 pop. You can press it as many times as you want. Okay, so for that you need one glue bottle. You can take Fevicol or Fevistick. Yes, okay. Here is one glue bottle. I took Fevicol and pencil, eraser. Wait, do we need pencil eraser? Yes, you need it to make um, uh, the sizes of the paper, and the scale for you, and you need some scissors. Okay. So first you need one 4 by 4 centimeter 4 by 4 centimeter square. For that you need to if you want 4 by 4 centimeter square, the width should be 4 by 4 centimeters and the length should be 4 centimeters. And you need one 4 by 4 square. Okay. And you need one 5 by 5 centimeter square, just 1 centimeter bigger than this. See, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. Even you can make like 5 by 5 and 6 by 6. Okay. See, if you want a little bigger push pop. What's the time? Okay. See. Okay. Now, and we need one we need one 4 by 9 centimeter 4 by 9 centimeter rectangle. Okay, so for this the width should be 4 centimeters and the length should be 9 centimeters. Okay, so now you have all these three, right? One 4 by 4, 5 by 5 and 4 by 9. Okay, so first you take your 5 by 5 square and then fold it into half. After you're done folding it, unfold it and then fold it into half again. You first fold it like this, and then next like this. And even I can tell you one secret about this. You first fold it like this, and then you can make another fold like this. So we will get these lines. See? This and this. Now, see, fold this corner to this corner like this. See? Okay? I'm gonna fold it and show you. See? It was like this. We fold it like this. And now fold all the corners. Okay? I'm gonna fold them and show it to you. This, like this. And like this. See? You're done, right? Like we had this, then we fold it like this, like this, like this, and like this. So we got another square. And after that, you fold this edge to the middle. I'm gonna show it to you. Like this. See? It was like this. I fold it like this. And then from the top, you need to fold it like this, the same. No, sorry. I did it wrong. See, you have this, right? This below thing, and you need to fold it at least till here. Okay, I'm gonna fold it and show it to you. Like this, see? And then from the top, you need to fold it like this. See? Like this and like this. See? Can you see it? Okay. And then next, you fold it tightly and then unfold it. Then we have our lines like this, right? And then again turn it and do the same thing. I'm gonna do it and show it to you. See, like it was like this, and we turn and we fold it like this, right? See? Okay. After you're done with it, again unfold it, and you have these two bend like this. Unfold it, and then from here to the middle point you need to fold it like this, and then again from the below part you can fold it like this. See? Now fold it tightly, and now this is the hard part. See? Now you need to do it like fold it like this and then like this. See? I'm gonna do it. See? You got this. See? First you do it like this and then like this. Again like this and like this. You got this, right? And then you can fold it like this. See? You got a racing car kind of thing, like vroom. And then do the same thing to here, to here. Like fold it like this and like this, and like this. See? And then you got a cube, and it has a hole inside. And now you can keep this part aside. Okay? I'm gonna keep it over here. Give me 1 minute. I'm gonna keep it over here. See? It's there. I'm gonna keep it aside. Okay. Save it for later. Okay? This cube. And then next, take your 4x4 this square and repeat the same steps. But still, I'm gonna show it to you. Fold it in half. Again, just fold it in half like this. Tightly. Unfold it. And then from corner to middle. Like this. It was like this. Repeat it on every corner. After you get this shape, fold this corner till here. I mean this edge. See, like this. It was like this, so like this. And from the top, again one fold like this. Okay, like this. Unfold it and then flip it and do the same thing. See, it was like this. We fold it like this, and from the top again like this. Okay, glue is stuck on my nails, and then like this. Unfold it, and you have these folded corners, and pull them and like fold it like from here to here, and one more like this, and then again unfold it. And this again is the tricky part. You have to fold it like this and like this, again like this and like this. See? And then you have this, right? Plop it inside. And again from here to here, here to here, and you have this, plop it inside. And if your fingers don't fit, put your pinky finger inside this, and then you have your two blocks, like squares, cubes, right? And then you can save them for later, okay? These two. And now take your 4 by 9 rectangle and fold it into half, like this. You've done it, and you have this line inside, right? Fold this to that line, and then like this. 1 minute, I'm gonna fold it. See, you had this, right? This is the middle line. Fold it like this, again like this, and then like this, okay? Then you're done. Take your small cube. See, I have a big cube and small cube. I'm gonna take my small cube and then measure it. This, and then it is this much size, this much, and then fold it, and then see, you have it like this, right? And then fold it like this again, okay? See, we have this. Then again, like this, and then like this. You're gonna fold the whole paper like that. Fold it. And then see, you have a zigzag spring. And then take your smaller cube again, and then just make, and then just take your glue. Take your glue, 1 minute, like this. Yes, so here. Yes. So now put 1-2 drops of 1 drop on here. Yes. And then you can just spread it with your finger or something. And then take a small cube and then fit it inside. So you can take your pencil and then just push it inside and then stick it like this. And then put glue over here on the other side. Yes, 1 drop is enough. Spread it with your finger. And then next, take your bigger cube and then just put it inside. And then see, here's your push pop toy. Pop, 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 pop. See? It's so fun. Pop, 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 pop. See? A stress reliever pop toy. Yay! And guys, I'm gonna show you my origamis that I've made till now. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it 1 minute. Yes, so guys, I'm back here. Let me sit. And now you can see. See, here is my closet where I put my mini origami things. this is one origami closet. See? It opens and closes. I know it's not too good, but yeah, I just still made it. See? And one pop toy we made right now. See? Pop, 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 pop. And this pop toy. And I have one mini bowl. So you can put your cereal and milk and then you can eat it. See? Beep, beep, beep. And I tried one yesterday. One pop toy. See? And where's my second pop toy? Oh yeah, it's here. Yes. And this we made now, right? This one I made it yesterday. And we have this cube. Yes, guys, I have a super duper good idea. I can make one dice with it. Or I can make one ring, you know. Yes, I'll make one ring for my mother. So, for that, I can draw one heart on it and then, wow, it's a... Okay, so guys, I have this strip of paper. See? And actually, it was like this. I fold it. Now I'm gonna cut where I fold it. And then take one part and then see. Let me cut it. I think it's kind of this much size. Wait, let me measure. Yes, it's this much size only. And then now take glue. Okay, now I'm gonna make a circle. I need to hold it for a while. Yes, so guys, it's dried now. Yes. So now you can put a little glue on your cube. Yes, so I forgot how to make that cube. I showed you this cube, right? How to make these cubes. Just make one bigger one and a smaller one, and then just push it inside. And then here's your cube. You can put some glue on your cube. This, see? I put one drop of glue. Yes, and then you can just spread it a little. See, like this, and then you can stick it. See how beautiful this ring is looking. Now you can press it for a while until it dries, and then when it's dried, I'm gonna give it to my mom. You guys come with me, okay? I'm gonna give it to her. Come with me, she's in the other room. Okay. So yeah, we're here now. I'm gonna give it to her. Okay. So, Mommy. Hey. I have a surprise for you.
What?
See, I made a ring for you.
Thank you.
You
That
can
is
try
very
it.
sweet. That's such a nice ring. See,
See?
it's very pretty. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, so now we are gonna go back. Okay, so yes, we're here. Now I'm gonna sit back. Yes, so I'm here. Yes. Okay. So guys, yeah, I was showing my those craft tray. Okay, so yes, so these two pop buttons. These are so good. And this bow, mini bow, and this closet. And I made one mug. See? Bon appetit. Like you can pour some water, not real water, or it will tear. Water and then bon appetit. And then this lucky. What is lucky? One lucky heart. Lucky. Yes. My lucky heart. See? And one lucky star. See? This lucky star. Lucky big heart. 1 minute. Yes. This heart. Star. I will flip it over. See? Okay, heart and star. And one mini version of that lucky heart. See? It's so tiny. Like my mustachio. See? Mustachio. What can I do with my mustachio? That was so funny. And now I'm gonna put all of my origami things in my closet. Take my mug, open my closet, put it in there like that, and I can take my pop button. It's kind of a puppet, right? Pop, 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 pop. Put it in there, and then take my another pop button. Then put it in there. Done with this part. And open here, open this. Then put it inside my mini heart. Wait, yes. And wait, I can put my mini heart in the bowl. That. And my star. See? And then those are the origamis I made. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe, like, and share this video so I get more subscribers. Okay, so bye guys. If you like my origamis, please comment down below. Okay, bye.